Hello everyone. After knowing about the positive and negative charges, let us now jump on to electricity. Now electricity can be of two types. One is static electricity and the second one is current electricity. For now, let us focus on static electricity. Static electricity is produced when we bring two different materials into contact and rub them. All materials are built from atoms which have a positive central zone, which is also known as nucleus, surrounded by electrons which are revolving around in orbits. Now, some atoms have more powerful pull than others. So, when we put two different materials in contact and one attracts electron more than the other, it's possible for an electron to be pulled from one of the materials to the other. Now, as you can see here, there are two different atoms which are in contact. Now, let us say that one of the electron jumps from one atom to the other atom. As a result, one of the material has gained some extra electrons, while other material has lost some electrons. In this case, this atom has gained one more electron and this atom has lost one electron. And that is how static charge builds up on the surface of the material. As you can see here, positive and negative charges are gathered or collected on the surfaces of the materials. Now let us take an example. When you rub a glass rod with a silk cloth, then electrons travel from the glass rod to the silk cloth. That is how the glass rod becomes positively charged and the silk cloth becomes negatively charged. In a similar way, when you rub a plastic rod with a woolen cloth, the electron travels from the woolen cloth to the plastic rod. And that is how the plastic rod becomes negatively charged as it gathers more of electrons, and the woolen cloth will become positively charged as it loses out electrons. And why is it called static electricity? Because the charges are not moving. They are just gathered or collected on the surfaces of the material. Some more examples on static electricity. If you rub your shoe on the carpet, your body collects extra electrons that are waiting to be released. So, when you touch any person or the doorknob, you get a shock. When you rub a balloon against your clothes and it sticks to the wall, you are adding a surplus of electrons to the surface of balloon. So, to sum it up, electrostatics is related to the charges which are at rest. It arises from the forces that electric charges exerts on each other. Electrostatic charge is either deficiency or excess of electrons which occurs on the surfaces of an object.